So, sirs, you both are eminent professors on campus, and our aspirants are very excited. And I really appreciated a few things that you said about, mother tongue not being a barrier, because a lot of students are always worried about that while joining an IIM. So, what is your final message to all the aspirants who are preparing for your exam? What would you like to tell them to encourage them and push them forward to join your institute?
So our
Yeah.
our exam, first of all, I want to say about our exam. Our exam is GIPMAT, joined IPM admission test, that we call it GIPMAT. So it is conducted by National Testing Agency, NTA. So why we went for NTA is, we don't want to have any arbitration or any other such kind of thing. That we want a meritorious student. And National Testing Agency is, the central government is a pioneer in conducting such kind of exam. They conduct JG, they conduct UGC NET, and they conduct exam for everyone. And and we are fixing 78 centers across the country, and we are ready to even increase. Now we are just looking 78. If we more aspirant, then we might increase to little more centers. So every state at least have, what we kept it. A student should, to an exam center, should have only some 70 to 80 kilometers, not more than that. So we kept the 78 center in such a way that every student who aspire to write a GIPMAT exam will only need to travel 80 kilometers or 70 kilometers. And we are keeping it in afternoon so that a student can come in the morning, and with the 80-kilometer distance, so by 2 hour maximum, that he can travel and write the exam. So that we want to capture the, the mass. It's not that we are looking for like, only in the main capital cities, that the centers. No, it's not that. Our aim is to attract all aspirant, the talented people to the campus. That is our main. That's why we given NTA the things. So NTA conduct exam, and the our test GIPMAT is a 10th based test. So the max level, the toughness level will be 10th based. So 10th based mathematics, that will be asked. So there are three part. It is a 400 marks total. Each question will have 4 marks. So there are 100 questions and 4 marks, 400, and there is a negative marking. So if a wrong answer means, we'll have one negative marks. And the three part is a reasoning, and then aptitude test, reasoning, aptitude, and your means verbal abilities. So that communication, that a three part is 33, 33, 33 questions from each area will be asked. So that's about GIPMAT. And our weightage is 70% of the weight, the score, GIPMAT score, then 10th plus 2. So 10th 15% and plus 2 15%. Like the 100% weighted, that is the way the selection criteria that we have kept. So anybody, any aspirant, trying these things can be, play to IIM board. So that is about our test. So we want to target, such a mass student and a meritorious student, for any class. We doesn't matter. That's our program. So we want such kind of student to us. And our, again, we, this today's world thinks in only just one thing, that is mindfulness. See, in this pandemic, everybody talk about mindfulness, mindfulness business leaders, because such, this young aspirant in a young generation now, many people are not even having a job, many lost job in such kind of mental pressure. How do they handle such situation? And how will you be positive to face such situation and come up in life? It's all about fighting. The problems will come. How do you fight with your positive attitude and achieve your goals? So that is what we are here building. Our students and I am both the students will have they will be mindful. They will take a mindful decision in their business, in their life, and they will have we are imparting a higher positiveness into them. So it's all mindfulness. So it's a positiveness. So if you look into, many Harvard studies now these days talk about the importance of mindfulness in the business and in the corporate world, and even in life. And again, so that is our thing. So it's a mindfulness. That is what our vision, and that is what we stand. We stand for mindfulness, and we stand for meritorious students. And it's irrespective of their economic background, irrespective of the culture or anything. We want our meritorious students, and what we give is what about the mindfulness business. We give a lot of positiveness. Like when they come here, they will get a positive energy. That's what we are offering. We are offering a positiveness to the student with good business equipment. So they will have business equipment. So that we are giving industry equipment, we are giving, plus they will have a higher positive attitude. That is a differentiation that we want to keep it from other business schools. That's what I want to. Which was it?
From my side, if you're actually looking to develop your career into corporates, or if you really want to become a manager, so don't wait. Don't wait or don't waste your time by pursuing the other courses. If you're not interested in, you please come and join IPM, or try for IPM program at IIMs. And the second thing is that here you will see much of diversity, because after plus two, if you look at the PGP classroom typically, um, you just ask the 10 candidates about the profiles. Out of 10, at least 8 to 9 people say that they are from engineering. So while if you look at the IPM, you can actually see the people from different backgrounds, people who might have studied mathematics, who might have studied biology, who might have studied commerce, who might have studied some other accounting or some other courses. So it really helps you to widen your thinking horizon, and it helps you to become more creative. And by the way, having IPM people in PGP classroom would also help PGP students as well, because these people will bring different dimensions and different perspectives. And other thing is that, so why to write two exams to enter into MBA? After plus two, let's say that you write some exam for your engineering or some other course, and after that you want to join MBA, again you have to give the CAT. So here you just write IPM, so you are doing DBA and you are doing MBA as well. See, one shot, two words. So I think it would be a wise idea if you really want to become an efficient or effective manager. So take a decision now and decide. So it really helps, and we welcome you. Thanks.
So just adding to which was that point, say an IPM that you know very well, it's a 5-year program. So that 5 year that you're getting, it's like when you look into PGP, like when you are an MBA, just a 2 year, and you have no time at all. There will be hundreds of things that you should do. So that learning things happen very fast that you don't have time. But when it comes to 5 year, the IPM program that you're learning, taking enough time, understand, and then again, you will have a lot of experimenting time, and you understand each and every aspect, then your growth. So that really helps the industry and the overall growth. And for a plus two student, that again you can inbuild the culture, because just you are grown up, you are not exposed to many things. So this after 12th only you exposed to many things, like I want to be this, I want to be that, and you have many things. Now here from 12th itself you focused that now I am going to an industry, and you will have clear whether I want to specialize in marketing, HR, where I want to be and what I want, what is my quality. So you get well focused, well trained, and that you will have a very good direction. You don't need to change, like when you are in BTech also, you have to say, like, after BTech what should I do. So there are many things. So like when you go, whether should I get job, somebody will not get job, again they will try for entrance, but again spend another 1 year to prepare for entrance, then again get into some IIM, then again you decide again what I want to choose. Here you don't have such kind of problem at all. The moment in the towards itself, you got a direction, a clear direction to the industry, the society, the business world. And that business world and MBA, you can divert to any area. It's not just one area. You can go to anything in this world as a business, as an IPM graduate can. You can handle everything. So that is an opportunity that it has. That is importance of an IPM program. That other program, none other program has that kind of a facility. So that's why please join IPM.
I definitely agree with everything that you've said about IPM being such an extensive and exhaustive program, and at the same time so enriching. So I would just like to ask you that you said that you have like it's open to all from all backgrounds and everything, and that is like a really appreciative, and it's very very encouraging from students from all backgrounds. So would IIM Bodh Gaya have any financial assistance provision?
Yeah. Yes. I just actually forgot to mention, like we are giving a need-based financial assistance to the weaker section, weaker people. A need-based financial assistance, it might be even 100% based on their income level. We will be funding. So that facility is there.